Life? No. Time? No. Substance? No. It's dark everywhere. But beyond that darkness, all the energy, all the potential of the universe is trapped in one spot. We do not know what this being, which is billions of times smaller than a dot, is. And then, a movement is beginning. It's the birth pangs of the universe. Maybe an explosion, maybe an expansion. But one thing is certain. A birth is taking place. The birth of the universe, of everything we know. A hot birth. Everything is surrounded by scorching heat, a temperature so high that it doesn't even allow atoms to exist. And at this temperature, the universe continues to expand. Over time, the temperature begins to decrease and gradually favorable conditions for matter are created. The first particles are born. As the universe continues to grow, these tiny particles come together and form atoms. Hydrogen, helium, and other simple elements emerge. As the universe expanded, matter began to condense due to gravity. This condensed matter paved the way for the formations of galaxies and stars. The structure of the universe began to form. Now there is time, there is matter. Life? Not yet. Creations and annihilations. A great cosmic dance is going on in every corner of the universe. Stars are beginning to shine. Trillions of galaxies are taking shape. But one is important to us. There are billions of stars in this galaxy. But we're going to focus on one star. Doesn't it look hot? This star, along with the 8 planets around it, will live for billions of years. We will go to a small planet that has been tracking this glorious temperature for 4.5 billion years. World. In the beginning, the Earth was like a ball of fire. Its surface is covered with lava erupting from volcanoes, boiling magma. The atmosphere is full of toxic gases. But over time, the chaos begins to calm down. The surface cools, oceans form. The first sparks of life. Simple organisms, microscopic creatures, begin to multiply in the depths of the oceans. These are the first steps in an evolution that will take billions of years. As time marches on, the world becomes what it is today. Colorful plants, cute animals, the diversity of life. And one of them thrives unlike any other. An intelligent species. Humans. People are learning, exploring, building. They look up at the sky. They watch the stars. They try to unlock the secrets of existence. But no matter how smart they are still a species driven by primitive instincts. They find it difficult to learn to live together. They fight each other. They destroy each other. They harm their planet and other living things. They see it, but they don't understand. But there is hope. Humans have great potential to understand the universe and life. One day they may learn to control their primitive instincts and learn to live in peace with each other and with other living beings, to protect their little home they call Earth. For now, life goes on, and it is the responsibility of humans to protect it, because they have no choice. This is a brief summary of an adventure that lasted 13.8 billion years. The universe is still expanding. We are just a small moment in this gigantic story. There is so much we need to learn and realize, but that's it for now. Goodbye until we meet in the next video.